Welcome back to my channel CodewithSR. In this channel you are going to learn all of the coding tutorials and many. So today in this video you are going to learn HTML new tutorial. So this is the series of HTML. So in this video we are going to learn the tag number 6. The tag number 6 is going to be detail and summary. Let's start detail and summary. First of all, we have to open our folder with VS Code. I am using VS Code. You can use any other tool. And if you hadn't seen our previous video, go and see first of all it, because in that video I tell you the heading tags and paragraph tags. So now I have here an empty file. I will add here the doc type like this. Wait, I will add doc and then details and summary. Simply, first of all, in detail tag we will study a paragraph which can be open and closed. Basically like this, as you can see, it is a paragraph and then there is one more paragraph. In this paragraph I have written Swan is a good boy, and in upper now it is height, and there is written details and then down arrow. Wait, there is like this arrow. When we click it, the arrow is now down and how height is going to be show. Basically it is this tag work like this. So let's do it practically. I write here details and then I am going to write here my words. Subhan is a good boy. He likes to play cricket. And then I will save it and go to my life. And then you have to open your favorite browser, and there we go, the page is open. Now as you can see, there is a detail tag with an arrow. When we click it, there we go, our data. And then if we want to finish this detail and add anything, like in this place of detail I have to show Subhan, and then show when I click this one is a good boy, he likes to play cricket. For that we use the tag summary, which is helpful to do things like this. In detail tag you have to add summary, and then any word you have to want to write in it, you can write it like this. One, and then refresh it. There we go. When I click Subhan, it's a good boy, he likes to play cricket. Like this you can use tags. And then if we want to write here extra words, so we use lorem, and after writing lorem we got many words. When we click it, there we go. These are useless words, but for demo we can add them. And if I want like one word, I will write lorem 1, there will be only one. And if I need 6 of them, I will write lorem 6. And if I want lorem 9999, there will be 9999. As you can see, the work of lorem is that it helps us to add the demo words. So in this video we learned lorem, summary and detail. These are the most important part of HTML because these three work to build web sites, dynamic websites, and anti-active websites. And we need the detail tags and summary tag to show the details of anything. That can be contact detail or any more. If you want to show the email, you have to write details, summary. In summary, you have to write email, and then you have to write here your email. I write lorraine1@gmail.com and then save it. So there is an email. This is my website, I want email, I will click to the email and then I will get the email. So in summary, you can write anything for the top, for the heading, and in details you can write anything you want to show. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.